Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the tool and the fabric. Make this immediate. Inspect the hook and tension spring for damage and load the correct thread size, 0. 5 to 1 millimeter works for fine fabric. Once done, position the fabric layers where you need the thread and mark the pull point with chalk so you have a clear target. Slide the hook gently under the marked spot, then catch the thread tail. Keep movement smooth to avoid snags and breathe. This sets the whole process in motion. Now you move into the core action. Insert the hook through the marked point at a shallow angle to avoid fabric distortion. Once the hook emerges, catch and secure the thread tail with your fingers or a small clamp so it won't slip. Pull with steady, even tension, not jerks, so the thread feeds cleanly. If the thread twists, pause, let it relax, then continue. The how matters as much as the where. Make sure to inspect the stitch line as you go, correcting alignment when necessary. To finish, secure the last stitch by tying off or using the tool's lock function. Then trim the excess thread to about 3 to 5 millimeters so it won't fray. Once done, inspect the seam for missed loops, puckering, or uneven tension and adjust as needed. If the tool jams or the thread snags, don't force it. Release tension, back the hook out slowly, re-thread, and reattempt. This troubleshooting step prevents damage and explains why patience preserves both fabric and tool.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.